Hello, friends. I am Dr. Ajit Varvankar. I will be talking to you about a career in medicine. Doctor, yes, we all know how important the role of a doctor is, especially because of this corona pandemic. We all have known it all the more. It's a really prestigious profession today and ever. How to become a doctor? As you all know, you have to opt for physics, chemistry, and biology in your 11th and 12th school curriculums. Today in India, we have one centralized examination called NEET, through which a student can get admission to any college across the country except AIMS. For AIMS, they have a different entrance examination. It's not all that easy to become a doctor. The competition is too high. To start with, there are almost 15 lakh students appearing for almost 66,000 seats. Out of these 66,000 seats, there are almost 31,000 seats in the government hospitals and the remaining with the private colleges. A rigorous learning schedule all through 2 years of class 11 and 12, including textbook studies, test paper series, that is all required. You can cross this barrier of NEET. And every year there is a different cutoff. Usually a score of around 380 to 400 could be sufficient enough to guarantee admission into one of those colleges. But mind you, medical college education is still very costly in our country. The fees can go as high as around 8 lakh rupees per annum to around 20 lakh rupees per annum, depends which kind of a college you get an admission. And the career path goes like this. After class 12th, you have to study MBBS for 5.5 years. That is 4.5 years of study plus 1 year of internship. And today is the area of specialization and super specializations. Although after MBBS, you can very well practice as a doctor, but if you want to go for further specialization, you will have to do your MD or MS, select the specialization, again appear for a competitive examination. There are various medical colleges in India. Top medical institutes in India ranges from AIMS to AFMC to Maulana Azad Medical College, CMC, Vellore, etc. etc. Well, friends, medicine as a career does not restrict only to MBBS. You can go for BDS also. That's Bachelor of Dental Surgery. You can get into BHMS. That's Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. You can get into BAMS. That is Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. And let me tell you, these all therapies are equally powerful and potential and promising in today's state. B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, BPT, Physiotherapy, BOT, Occupational Therapy, and even BMLT, that is Bachelor of Medical Lab Technician. One thing I want to share is very soon a test called National Exit Test will be operational in India. That is, any student who has done basic medical course either from India or from any MCI approved college outside India will have to qualify in this test called NEXT to become eligible to practice in India. Well, the question is, who should become a doctor? It is very important, my dear friends, to first understand what are the basic qualities of a doctor. A doctor's life is always under heavy stress. A doctor is supposed to work 24 hours. You know, a patient can drop in at midnight, in the morning, in the afternoon, anytime. To be able to address that patient with a lot of patience and a smile and a lot of empathy, what is required is a strong determination to serve the community, to serve humanity. Until unless you have a commitment to the profession, because patients would come and they would only tell you what are the symptoms. It requires a lot of visualization as well as logic. It requires a lot of investigative ability, and also it requires a lot of language ability and also very good memory power. You know, a doctor is required to remember medicines always. And also, to become a doctor, you have to have the aptitude of a continuous learner. Today, corona is there. Tomorrow, there could be something else. And for every new disease, there is a new molecule. The point is, do you have all those capabilities to become a doctor? To be really sure, I would advise please go in for a career assessment through myaglakadam.com. They will assess you on the basis of your personality, aptitude, and occupational themes and tell you as to what are the improvement areas for you if you want to become a doctor, and also map your fitment with various other careers, not just a doctor. They will guide you as to which is the best career for you. So, friends, wish you all the best. Happy career to you. Stay tuned. Do not forget to like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and also share it with your friends. Good things are supposed to be shared. We will be back with another career very soon. So stay tuned.